I get this a lot. People bring me just the carburetor and ask me to fix it. Here's the truth. A carb cannot be properly tuned off the bike. Once it's rebuilt, it must be installed and synchronized using vacuum gauges so the bike idles smooth and runs right. But more importantly, I need to know why it clogged in the first place. Old gas, rust in the tank, dirty fuel lines, or all of the above. That means flushing the system, checking the throttle, syncing the carbs, and dialing everything in as a system. Bringing just the carb won't save you money. It costs you results. Bring the whole bike and I'll give you a bike that actually runs right. Keep riding, keep rolling, my friends, and stay safe out there.